Harley Davidson Street Best Motorcycle for Beginners. When it comes to motorcycles, few names resonate as deeply as Harley Davidson. The Harley Davidson Street Series is a shining example of the brand's commitment to offering a diverse range of motorcycles, including options that cater to new riders. The Street Series, with its approachable power, unmistakable style, and comfortable design, provides beginners with a unique opportunity to experience the world of motorcycling while embracing the iconic Harley Davidson heritage. Harley Davidson legacy and authenticity. The Harley Davidson brand is synonymous with motorcycling history and culture. The Street Series extends this legacy to beginners, allowing them to ride a genuine Harley Davidson motorcycle from the outset. The association with the brand's storied past adds a sense of pride and excitement for new riders. Approachable power and performance. The Harley Davidson Street Series strikes a balance between power and approachability. With engines ranging from 500cc to 750cc, these bikes offer sufficient power for city cruising and highway travel, while still ensuring a controlled and manageable riding experience that is ideal for beginners. Comfort-oriented design. Comfort is a focal point of the Harley Davidson Street Series. The bikes feature an upright riding position that minimizes strain on the rider's back and shoulders, making longer rides enjoyable. This design not only enhances comfort during commutes but also encourages new riders to explore longer routes. Urban styling and aesthetics. The Street Series boasts a modern and urban aesthetic that resonates with a wide range of riders. From the minimalist Street 500 to the more muscular Street Rod 750, each model offers a distinct look while retaining the signature Harley Davidson style. The urban appeal of these bikes makes them stand out in any setting. Enhanced safety features. Safety is of paramount importance, especially for beginners. The Street Series offers optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, which enhances braking control and prevents will lock up during sudden stops. This safety feature provides additional confidence for riders, regardless of their skill level. Low seat height for accessibility. The low seat height of the Street Series motorcycles ensures that beginners can confidently touch the ground with their feet, enhancing stability when coming to a stop. This accessibility makes the bikes user-friendly and reduces the intimidation factor for those new to motorcycling. Community and camaraderie. The Harley Davidson community is renowned for its camaraderie and shared passion for riding. As a beginner rider, joining this community provides access to a network of experienced riders who are willing to share insights, advice, and a sense of belonging, enriching the overall riding experience. Potential for personalization. Harley Davidson motorcycles are known for their customization potential, and the Street Series is no exception. Beginners have the opportunity to personalize their bikes with a range of genuine Harley Davidson accessories, allowing them to create a motorcycle that is uniquely theirs. Long-lasting value and enjoyment. The Street Series offers a platform for long-term enjoyment. As beginners gain confidence and experience, these motorcycles can continue to provide exciting rides. The bike's versatility and adaptability ensure that riders won't quickly outgrow their capabilities. Conclusion. The Harley Davidson Street Series bridges the gap between the iconic Harley Davidson legacy and the aspirations of new riders. With its approachable power, comfortable design, urban aesthetics, and commitment to safety, the Street Series provides beginners with a remarkable introduction to the world of motorcycling. The blend of heritage and innovation, combined with the sense of community and camaraderie, makes riding a Harley Davidson street motorcycle an experience that resonates deeply and stays with riders throughout their journey in the world of two-wheel exploration.